Combining blueberries with these three foods can cause vision loss. Did you know that the seemingly innocent blueberry, packed with antioxidants and touted for its health benefits, can actually become detrimental to your vision when combined with certain foods? Some combinations can even lead to irreversible damage. Stay tuned to discover which food pairings to avoid and which ones will supercharge your eye health. Coffee and blueberries might seem like a harmless breakfast duo, but excessive coffee consumption can negatively impact your vision. It's all about understanding how caffeine interacts with your body and, consequently, your eyes. Caffeine, a well-known diuretic, can lead to dehydration. Dehydration reduces tear production, causing dry eyes. Dry eyes aren't just uncomfortable, they increase your vulnerability to eye infections and irritations. Furthermore, caffeine increases gastric acidity. This alteration affects nutrient absorption, including the beneficial antioxidants found in blueberries. It also speeds up intestinal transit, reducing the time your body has to absorb these vital nutrients. Perhaps most concerning is caffeine's potential to increase intraocular pressure. This is a significant risk factor for glaucoma, a condition that can damage the optic nerve and result in permanent vision loss. So that morning coffee with blueberries might be doing more harm than good. Instead of pairing your blueberries with coffee, consider combining them with whole oats. This simple swap can make a world of difference for your eye health. Let's explore why this combination is so beneficial. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce eye inflammation. This helps prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two leading causes of vision loss. Whole oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber. This fiber helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing damage to the delicate blood vessels in your eyes. Stable blood sugar is crucial for overall eye health. Oats also contain zinc, a mineral crucial for retinal metabolism and night vision. A deficiency in zinc can lead to impaired vision, especially in low-light conditions. The vitamin E in oats, combined with the vitamins C and E in blueberries, provides a powerful shield for your eye cells. This combination improves ocular circulation and reduces the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a complication of diabetes that can lead to blindness. This combination improves eye health through antioxidants and vitamins. This combination promotes good overall health and glycemic control. It's a delicious and nutritious way to protect your vision for years to come. Mixing blueberries with sugary foods or beverages is a common mistake that can negate their health benefits. While blueberries are naturally sweet and delicious, adding extra sugar can be detrimental to your eye health. Let's examine why. High sugar intake causes rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This increases the production of free radicals, damaging cells throughout your body, including the delicate cells in your eyes. This surge of free radicals can overwhelm the antioxidant capacity of the blueberries. Sugar also stimulates systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant risk factor for eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. By consuming blueberries with sugary foods, you're essentially fueling the inflammatory processes that can harm your vision. This combination is particularly dangerous for people with diabetes. High blood sugar levels can lead to diabetic retinopathy, a condition caused by damage to the blood vessels in the retina. Untreated diabetic retinopathy can lead to complete vision loss. Instead of sugary foods, combine your blueberries with natural Greek yogurt. This simple substitution can transform your snack into a powerhouse of nutrients that support eye health. Let's explore the benefits. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for the repair and maintenance of eye tissues. It helps keep your eyes strong and healthy. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium. Calcium is fundamental for the health of eye muscles and nerve function. It plays a crucial role in maintaining proper eye function. Furthermore, Greek yogurt contains probiotics. These beneficial bacteria improve gut health, facilitating nutrient absorption. This ensures that you're maximizing the absorption of the antioxidants in blueberries. This combination provides a potent dose of nutrients that support eye health. It's a delicious and nutritious way to protect your vision. This combination is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. The fiber in blueberries and the protein in yogurt help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing dangerous spikes and crashes. Consuming blueberries with foods rich in trans fats is another harmful combination to avoid. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, can have a devastating impact on your overall health, including your vision. Let's understand why. Trans fats increase inflammation and raise bad cholesterol levels. This can lead to serious cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular problems, in turn, result in poor blood circulation. Poor blood circulation negatively affects the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. This increases the risk of diabetic retinopathy, macular degeneration, and glaucoma, all of which can result in permanent vision loss. Chronic inflammation from trans fats can directly damage eye cells. This damage can accelerate the progression of age-related eye diseases. Industrially processed baked goods, such as muffins, cakes, cookies, and pies, are common culprits when it comes to trans fats. By combining blueberries with these foods, you're neutralizing their antioxidant benefits, and the negative impact of trans fats prevails. Instead of trans fats, combine your blueberries with leafy green vegetables. This combination is a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly boost your eye health. Let's explore the benefits. Vegetables like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and broccoli are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These are antioxidants that accumulate in the macula, the central part of your retina. They filter harmful blue light and protect against damage, reducing the risk of chronic eye diseases. Leafy greens are also excellent sources of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like zinc. Vitamin A is essential for night vision and prevents dry eyes. Vitamin C supports the structure of ocular blood vessels. Zinc helps transport vitamin A to the retina. Blueberries also contain vitamins C and E. These vitamins strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and protect eye cells against oxidative stress. This combination maximizes the intake of nutrients that work together to protect and maintain eye health. It's a simple and effective way to safeguard your vision. So, there you have it, the worst and best food combinations to make with blueberries for your eye health. Remember, small dietary adjustments can make a big difference for long-term vision. What are your favorite ways to enjoy blueberries? Share your blueberry eating habits in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to help them preserve their eye health. Knowledge is power, and by sharing this information, you can help others make informed choices about their diet and vision. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, taking care of your eyes is an investment in your future. Take action today. Schedule a comprehensive eye exam with your ophthalmologist or optometrist to assess your eye health and discuss personalized dietary recommendations. Start incorporating these beneficial combinations into your diet today and prioritize your vision for a brighter tomorrow.